Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, students. Hope you all are fine. Open your book at page number 13. Dear students, today we are going to discuss chapter number 3. Let's start. Be good to all. Be good to all. Long ago, there lived a little boy named Faizan. He was a good boy. He was good in his studies, obedient to his parents, more intelligent than many other boys in his class, and kind to everyone. Grown-ups as well as those junior to Faizan loved him very much. But that aroused jealousy in many other boys who longed to be as loved as Faizan. Many years ago, there lived a little boy, small boy, whose name was Faizan. Faizan was a good boy. Faizan was a good boy. He was good in his studies, obedient to his parents, more intelligent than many other boys in his class, and kind to everyone. He obeys his parents, he respects his parents, and was more intelligent than any other boys in his own class. Grown-ups, the boys who were bigger than Faizan, loved him very much, as well as the boys who were smaller than Faizan also loved him very much. But it aroused jealousy in many of the other boys who were in the same class and in the same age, who also longed to be as loved as Faizan, who wanted to be loved as Faizan. Now there was another boy named Junaid who studied in the same class as Faizan. There was another boy whose name was Junaid who studied in the same class as Faizan. Unlike Faizan, he was not good at studies and always liked to play during school hours. Unlike Faizan, Faizan was very kind, obedient, and good in studies. But the Junaid was not at all. He was not good at studies and always liked to play games during school hours. He misbehaved with his parents. Junaid misbehaved with his parents, bullied his classmates, and even ill-treated Faizan. Bullied means fighting, quarrel. He always fighting with his classmates and even ill-treated Faizan. Junaid treated badly Faizan. He always tried to put Faizan down and belittled him before other kids in the class. Junaid always tried to put Faizan down and belittled. Belittled means unimportant. He gave him little importance in front of the other kids who were in the same class. But no matter what he did, Faizan's grades kept getting better and better. No matter what he did with Faizan, his grades kept getting better and better day by day. Whether in studies or in sports or from his classmates, Faizan kept getting accolades from everywhere. Whether he in studies or in sports or from his classmates, he always stands first in the class. He works hard. Faizan kept getting accolades from everywhere. He get expression of praises from everywhere and from everyone. On the day of Eid, Faizan got a nice pen as a gift from his parents. On the Eid day, he got a nice pen as a gift from his parents. He brought it to school so that he could use it to take down the notes of the lectures that the teachers gave in class. He brought it to school. He brought this pen to school so that he could use it to write down the notes of the lectures that the teachers gave in the classroom. This was a very beautiful pen and it could help one write very fast. This pen was very beautiful and it could help someone to write very fast. When Junaid saw it, he was very jealous of Faizan. When Junaid saw this pen, he was very jealous of Faizan. He asked Faizan, "Hey, where did you get that? Did you buy it? Where did you get that pen? Did you buy it?" said the Junaid to the Faizan. "My parents gave it as an Eid gift to me," replied Faizan. Faizan replied that this pen, my parents gave it as an Eid gift for me. My parents gave it to me as an Eid gift. Junaid was overwhelmed with anger and jealousy. Junaid was in great anger. Overwhelmed means to defeat someone by a lot of force. To defeat someone by using a lot of force. He was in great anger and jealousy. The bad boy that he was, because the Junaid was a bad boy. He rarely got any present from his parents. He did not get any present from his parents. Rarely gotten any present from his parents. He decided to steal Faizan's pen, and then Junaid decided that he decided to steal Faizan's pen. During recess, when everyone has gone out from the class, during lunchtime, during break time, he decided when everyone had gone out of the class for lunch. Junaid opened Faizan's bag and took out his pen. Junaid opened Faizan's bag and took out his pen. Then he did it, and then he hid it inside his bag and went out to have his tiffin. After that, he hid it inside his bag and went out to have his tiffin with the other boys. Dear students, read this chapter 2 or 3 times in order to understand it very well. In the next lecture, we will discuss the remaining portion of the chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.